Yo, what up team? How we doing? It's been like forever since we did a fucking vlog, so thought I'd better do something. About 5 or 6 days away from heading up to Chrome in Auckland. So obviously you probably already know, but top 4 cars from the Chrome comp, you know, win a ticket to Summernats. I feel like we've got a little bit of unfinished business over there, so keen to have a crack at it anyway and see what we can achieve. Car's away at the moment, just at Reaper Performance, nothing major, just doing some steel work and stuff, bits and pieces for me, tidied up. Yeah, so we just got to the track, we've unloaded, the fucking battery's flat on the car, lined up for scrutineering. Yeah, fuck, not ideal, not ideal. So we'll fucking run it off the jump pack for now. So the battery's flat, my brand new $500 battery's flat. I reckon it was James Goodin, he set me up. So we're going to take the battery out of the trailer anyway and send it. I'm already hungover after the big night last night. Now I'm stressing out. Just want to go out for a practice anyway. So the boys are taking the battery out of the trailer, putting it in there. Skids, about to kick off shortly. It's fucking mental. The crowd is huge, the hugest crowd I've seen for a fucking long time, and it's pitch black though. I don't think I've actually skidded at night, so we'll see what happens. Let's go!
bro.
Problem is, 50% of the score is smoke.
Hopefully it's enough smoke,
Yeah,
eh?
yeah. But we drove well, I
Oh,
thought.
bro, awesome.
We tried to cover the whole pad. But I was just bashing the limit too much, that's why I'm a bit disappointed. Fucking good girl. Still only 100
Way
degrees.
better control, bro, like when you just sort of keep in that lower gear, eh? Got the bags up?
Hey?
Got the bags up?
What?
Don't you think got the bags up?